Alright, it's the Prelude, dude. You know who I am. Maybe. I don't know. I'm Dan. We're heading over to Drake's. We're going to mess with his frame. We got it sanded down last week quite a bit. We're going to do some more sanding this week. And then we're going to hit it with some POR15, POR15, whatever you want to call that stuff. We're going to hit it with that and try and save that frame. Feel that torque? Oh yeah, the torque, yeah! Got Drake. Well, it's just me and Drake. No, Jake. It's an empty spot over here. But we got Drake. Oh! Okay, boys. We're back working on the frame. What are we gonna do today?
Well, we're gonna finish the wire wheel, moving around and blah blah. We're gonna put POR15 on the frame. So hopefully it doesn't look this ugly next time.
I hit the brake line. Is that crucial?
No, fuck it, man.
Alright, Drake, what are you doing?
Open up the POR15. You know, the blackness.
POR15.
Yep. Opened it up, starting it up. I shook it up before, but now I'm starting it up. And then,
Alright, so Drake's doing a little prep to the frame, you know. It's probably not the way the directions say, but we don't really follow directions. We just kind of do stuff, and then it doesn't... We do what we want, and then, you know, it doesn't always work out for us, but, you know, this should work. Drake's done it before. You know, we're good. So we're going to pour that on. He's just wiping off the frame right now.
we're not restoring, we're preventing.
Ah, key terminology there. Alright, so we're done painting that on for now.
Yeah, I got the bottom, but I'm gonna hit that for the rest of the week.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it's not a perfect job. We didn't pretend like we were gonna make it perfect. But it's now sealed. Once that dries, that's gonna be a nice protective layer. Stop the outside oxidation from breaking through.
Nope.
Now, I mean, obviously, there's still rust that can form underneath it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But
it'll be...
we're sealing it on both sides, so hopefully that'll take a lot longer than it did before. But I think it's pretty sweet, man. I like this stuff. What is it? POR15?
Yeah.
$60
a quart.
Woo!
$60 a quart.
That's dedication, man. He did this purely so we could have content. We are in a Mustang. Our lives are in danger. Oh, man. I don't know why I got in this thing with you. What's that mean? It's up to get your drive. Oh, maybe it is. Woo! Oh, I felt the squirrel. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah! Oh man. Traction? What traction?
I was wondering, like, what's that?
It ain't getting nothing. I got diesel tips on my Mustang.
That would be like 4.5. All I know is it's huge.
This road sucks.
It does, bro. But it's all Rockford roads. Rockford, get your shit together.
For real.